Here's Riley and Daisy playing together for the first time. Half brother and sister. Hi Riley, what do you think of your sister, huh? Isn't she cute? Everybody wants a cute little sister. Where'd they go? Oh my god, they're... Oh, Daisy's found a spot to hide. Oh, around the house. Oh my god, they are in their glory. Well, I was hoping to get a video of them, but it looks like... Oh, there they are. I know how to go up the stairs. I bet you don't, says Daisy. What's Riley say? Hi Riley, you had fun? Yeah? Ah! You good dogs. Who's gonna get Daisy? Who's gonna get Riley? Woo! It's Cuddles and Jack staying out of the fray here. Who's gonna get Daisy? He's like, haha, I'm smaller than you, I can get under the car. Ruby, what do you think of this nonsense, huh? You just keep us safe from the squirrels, alright? Okay, thank you. Alright. Hey, Ruby. Riley, now you know what it's like to be harassed by a puppy. I think he likes it, the kissing. Aww, sibling love. Did it go? Did it go? Ruby just wants to make sure there's no getting out of line here. Yeah, yeah. Alright, Ruby's just going to keep Daisy safe. Right. Good thing we got Ruby here, because we wouldn't want any trouble. We don't want any sibling rivalry. Right, Rube? Good girl, Ruby. Yeah.